Well, hello everyone. Delighted to have you here. I'm Johan Zietsman. I'm the president and CEO of the beautiful Adrienne Arsht Center. And to my right, I have Bacardi aficionado, Tamara Orende.
Hello everybody. I understand that today is a celebration.
Oh, it really is. We're very excited with your help and with the help of our friends from Broadway League. We want to raise a glass and celebrate the toast to the road ahead and the return of Broadway to theaters across the country, but to the Arsht.
Absolutely. And today we're going to make a wonderful cocktail. It's called the Daiquirita. And we're going to make it with Bacardi lime and Cazadores tequila.
Say that again. Daiquirita?
Daiquirita.
Daiquirita. Okay.
Exactly. All right, let's get started.
Okay.
We're going to start with our shaker. And we're going to put all of the ingredients in the shaker first.
All right.
So let's start with our juices. Let's do 1 ounce of fresh lime juice.
1 ounce.
1
of lime
ounce.
Juice. Check.
Beautiful.
All right.
Now we're going to do 1 ounce of agave. We're going to balance out our citrus with our sugar.
1 ounce of agave.
Ounce. Then we're going to do 1 ounce of Cazadores tequila.
1 ounce.
And lastly, we're going to use Bacardi lime.
Yay.
We're going to do 1 ounce as well. Equal parts, easy to remember.
1 ounce of the good stuff.
Perfect. Then we're going to use some ice. You can fill your shaker all the way to the top. Amazing.
There you go.
Beautiful. Now we're going to close our shaker and shake it up.
And we done.
Perfect.
Hey.
Once it's nice and cold, we're going to open our shaker. Perfect. And we're going to strain it out into our coupe. Thank you. Oops. All right. There it is. Looks great.
So while I strain mine, can I ask you, if I want to have a non-alcoholic version, what would I do?
So for the non-alcoholic version, I would recommend doing the same with the lime juice, 1 ounce of agave, and instead of the spirit, we're going to do 1 ounce of pineapple juice.
Sounds good.
Exactly.
Okay, let's raise a glass. Broadway's returning. Enjoy. Salud.
Salud.